Samsung announced that it will unveil the next Galaxy S flagship phones on January 22nd, with Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung will sell a case that enables Qi 2 wireless charging on all three Galaxy S25 models. The 2025 flagship is supposed to have extra thin bezels. You can see the bezels represented on the dummy. New Galaxy S25 Ultra rendering showcase 4 primary color options. Galaxy S25 Ultra to exclusively offer 2nd Gen Gorilla Armor Glass. Galaxy S25 Ultra powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite. The listing revealed the CPU will have 2 cores clocked at 4.2 GHz and 6 more running at up to 2.9 GHz. The single-core and multi-core results are around 30% higher than they were. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will have 16 GB of RAM on board. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra will also be lighter than its predecessor, at just 219 grams. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will sport a 50-megapixel ISOCELL JN3 sensor for the ultrawide, a 200-megapixel H2 primary camera, and a 10-megapixel IMX754 sensor for the 3x telephoto camera. Samsung is sticking with a 5x telephoto sensor, which will be a 50-megapixel IMX584. Expect a slight upgrade in camera quality. The S25 Ultra's battery will be exactly the same as the S24 Ultra's battery at 5,000 mAh. Even the maximum charging capacity will stay unchanged at 45 watt. It might also pack 25W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging features. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is tipped to feature a 6.9-inch AMOLED 2X display with 3000 nits of peak brightness. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra come with Android 15 based One UI 7.1 for a deeper AI integration. Phone will feature 7 years of software updates and 7 years of security patches, like its predecessor. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.